he's got me high. It's not my birthday. Woo! Okay, so I realized I haven't really recorded much of anything for ministry, so I figured today I'm gonna do a ministry day, and we're actually walking to ministry. It's about a 30-minute walk up and down hill. I'm actually skating as well, but I just busted it and realized it's kind of hard to skate and vlog at the same time. So I guess I'm gonna stop skating for a minute and talk to you guys. Basically, we're at this ministry called Project Abraham, and it's like a daycare center for kids. So yeah, we're helping out doing manual labor there. But yeah, the first week or so that we were there, we were working under this guy named Louise. And Louise is such a clown. He actually would pull pranks on us, and like the second day we were there, he rigged up a water bucket above the door. So whenever CJ went to go open the door, a bucket of water ended up falling on him. We discovered that at this ministry, pranks are the norm. And then one of the volunteers named Christina tried to get Louise. I figured I'd help out Louise, and I ended up making her plan backfire. Which actually in turn backfired on me. Because then for the rest of the day, Christina and all the other girls at ministry were trying to get me. They didn't get me that day, but the next day, Landon ended up sabotaging me, and I ended up getting a bucket of water dumped on me. So basically, that was our first few days of ministry at Project Abraham, and yeah, it just made it for a much lighter mood as we were doing ministry, and yeah, it's been fun. And then last week we had to build like this sketchy scaffolding and climb up and clean the windows, but it's probably better that I just show you. So here's the footage from that. This is such a long walk to ministry, but I'm gonna be in heck of shape by the time we're through with this month. There's Landon's footprint from stepping in wet concrete on the way to ministry. Good old Landon. Okay, so we made it to Project Abraham, and we were actually at what they're calling Phase 2. Here, I'll let you tell them, Tiki.
So we're building this place for single moms, which it was supposed to be a children's home. Then like the UK stuff, they want to give it a permit because they think the kids live at need to live with their birth parents. Then so they had to change the thing for this, so they put for single moms that for them to go to college, so they have a place to live. And follow T Jack on Instagram.
So yeah, basically we've been working here this past week and getting a lot done here for construction, building these homes. As you can see over there, they're doing the more challenging work. We've basically been putting these together for them for the foundation of the buildings, and yeah, we've basically had to take and tie these little things, these little wires on there, and we've done all of these. It's been a fun week. Also, by the way, it's Zach Greg's birthday, so happy birthday. The vlog loves you.
It's a beautiful day to work in Costa Rica.
I think today's gonna be a good ministry day. Oh!
Yeah, pura vida.
Pura vida!
Pura vida.
Can I ride in there?
Yeah.
Can I ride in there? Oh, he's got me high. Oh, that's high. I'm so high. Onward. I think he's about to light it. Technical difficulties. Gato! Ayumi!
2 hours later. Tiene que hacer como el gas.
Sí, gas.
No da ni el gas.
We got reinforcements. Just kissed the pipe. Not sure what that was about.
Fire, 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 fire!
Hey! Woo!
Fire, fire, fire!
Finally! I'm in a tree. Don't know what they're doing. What is this vlog at this point? Ah! There's the birthday boy. Happy birthday to you. Zach, show us your better side. Oh, there you go.
I fell on the ground.
Okay guys, it's time for the lesson of the day. So overall, it was a really good ministry day. I think me and the guys just really went into it with a lighthearted attitude, and yeah, I think we just went into it with a positive mindset. And I think that's huge for us because that's not always the case. Some days are better than others, but again, we've been doing manual labor this whole time, and so sometimes it is hard to choose to see perspective, and sometimes it's hard to want to get up and go do ministry. But I think me, along with all the guys, are really striving to push into uncomfortability and also realize that even if it's not the most fun, we can still choose to have a positive attitude and choose to see perspective on it and make the most of the day that God has given us. And so I think that's just something worth celebrating and something that we did really well in this ministry day. And it's cool that as we were embracing that, we actually had a really random and goofy day today. So I definitely think that there's something there by embracing the day that God's giving you and choosing to see the positive side of things. Definitely has an effect on how your day goes and can even allow for more to happen through your day. Because I think there are several opportunities throughout our days that God has given us, but if we're stuck in the negative side of things and not trying to make the most of the day, then it's oftentimes hard to walk through those doors. It's oftentimes hard to see the opportunities in front of us. So with that said, I want to encourage each one of y'all to make the most of every day. Even if every day isn't glamorous and at times you're having to drag yourself out of bed, try to find new perspective and see what you can do with that day. But that's it for today's lesson. I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. Like always, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and tap that little bell to turn post notifications on. And don't forget that I've got my World Race vlog site and all my other social media accounts linked in the description below, so go check those out if you want to follow along with more of my journey. And don't forget that I'm here for you and I want to hear from you guys, so make sure to leave your comments down below. Let me know what you thought about the video, or if there's anything I can be praying about, leave those in the comments down below. Alright guys, remember, I love you and God loves you. See you next time.